In this video, I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi and Bluetooth not turning on Samsung. Many people face this issue, and it can be very frustrating, especially when you need to connect to the internet or pair with other devices like headphones or speakers. This is a common problem, but there are several steps you can take to try and solve it. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find General Management. Tap on it to proceed. In this section, scroll down again until you see Reset. Tapping here will open up several reset options available for your device. Now, look for Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Settings. Tap on it. This option specifically targets connection-related issues without affecting other data on your phone. Then tap Reset Settings to confirm your choice. After resetting, it's essential to restart your device for changes to take effect properly. To do this, press and hold the power button until you see options appear on screen. Select Restart. Once your device has restarted completely, check if both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are now functioning correctly. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.